Hey, what's up guys? Reggie P here. Hey, would you like to win some free money? Well, when you subscribe to my channel, you're going to get a chance to win some free money every time I receive 1,000 new subscribers to my channel. So all you have to do is make sure you subscribe to my channel, watch my videos all the way to the very end, like all my videos, and make sure you drop this comment, hashtag get your grind on. And once I receive that 1,000 new subscribers, I'm going to randomly pick a comment and that person is going to win the free money via PayPal. So if you want to get a chance to win some free money, please subscribe now. Don't miss out. Now let's get into this video. This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on. Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you an app that pays $250 for free. Now, as you can see, I'm at my channel right now, App Grind TV, and you see I make a lot of videos about making money online. So, if you have not subscribed to my channel, you're missing out. So please subscribe right now and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. And give me a like, guys. It's going to help out my channel and help out this video. And also drop a comment down below if you have any questions about what I'm talking about today. And don't forget to type hashtag get your grind on so you can get a chance to win this free money once I reach 3,000 subscribers, which is coming soon, guys. Okay, Grind family, please watch this video all the way to the very end because it's some steps you need to take, and it's a couple of websites I'm going to show you so you can make this money for free. All right, let me go ahead and go to the first website. Okay. I'm at the first website, and the name of this website is Coinbase. Okay, with this website, it's all about cryptocurrency. So you can buy and sell cryptocurrency on this website. And this website is going to go hand in hand with the other website I'm going to show you in a few minutes. So let's just go over this if you guys don't know anything about crypto. So I know you've heard of Bitcoin. So here you can store your Bitcoin here and also, buy and sell Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, and Litecoin. And they also have other cryptocurrencies that you can also buy and sell here. All right, so I briefly told you about Coinbase. So let me go ahead and go to the actual website we're going to use to make some money. All right, I'm at the next website, and the name of this website is MicroWork. So it's at microwork.app. And so it says here, earn Ether for completing tasks on your smartphone. Now, Ether is another cryptocurrency. So that's why I said you're going to have to use Coinbase to deposit your Ether in there so you can convert that to cash. So this website uses they have an app, and it's on Google Play Store and the Apple Store. And how do you start earning? So you download and sign up, complete your first task, fill in a profile survey, and complete a photo task. Number 3, you're going to add your Ether address and tell us where to send your earnings. So you're going to need an address so they can send your earnings to that address. That's how you'll be able to get your earnings. And number 4, you're going to be able to withdraw your first dollar. So you don't have to wait for weeks or months to get paid. Once you get $1, which is very, very quick and simple, you'll be able to withdraw that and get that amount. Okay, how do I get paid? So you get paid with Ether, like we said before. And it says here, we pay as soon as your task has been approved. Get paid in Ether and withdraw the moment you reach $1 in earnings. Earn and get paid right now. It's easy and simple as that. You can click right here to learn more about that. All right, it says what kind of tasks are available. Now, you're going to like these tasks. So, photos. So, be the teacher. So, take photos of everyday items to help train artificial intelligence to see. Snap photos of logos, clothing, furniture, and much, much more. So, it's going to be fun taking photos and doing these little tasks. And plus, you're going to be helping their AI to be able to see these images. So let me scroll down here. And fashion. So it says here, do you live and breathe fashion and you have an eye for the latest trends? Snap photos of your outfits, dream bags, your killer shoe collection, and much more. So you have a killer shoe collection, take a photo of that. Your dream bag, your outfits, you're going to take photos of that, and you're going to earn money just doing that. Okay. Now, let's go to the app right quick. I just want to show you the rating and the review because I'm going to go a little bit faster, a little bit fast on this because I need to get back to Coinbase. Okay, we're at the app right now. It's Micro Work Earn ETH, and this is an Apple Store. And the rating out of 5 stars is 4.1. Anything over 4 is always good. It's a good app. And let's just read one of the reviews. This guy right here, I8888, says legit, user-friendly, reasonable rewards, instant withdrawal, very good app. So they like this app. All right. Now, I'm going to go back to Coinbase. I'm going to show you how you can make money from Coinbase. Okay, I'm back at Coinbase. And what you're going to do is scroll down here and you're going to click where it says Start Earnings. As you can see, it says earn up to $150 worth of crypto. So let's click here. So earn crypto while learning about crypto. So you're going to be earning some money just learning about this cryptocurrency. So here's the first one. All you have to do is just click where it says Start Course. You're going to earn $46 right there. This one right here, Turos. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right, but this one is $6, and you start your course there. Here's EOS, and you get $50 when you start this course. And here's another $50 you get when you start Stellar Lumens. So, as you can see, you're going to earn some money just learning about crypto on this site. So when you add everything up, you get $152. So you will make $152 just learning about this cryptocurrency. And you want to add it up to the money you make from the micro work. You're going to be making over $250. So that's it. That's the steps you need to take and the websites you need to use. So go ahead and sign up, download the app, sign up with Coinbase and start getting this money. Okay, guys, that's it. That's all I have for this video. Again, before you leave, don't forget to hit that like button and help me to get like 50 likes, guys. That's all I ask. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions about what I talked about today. And make sure you type hashtag get your grind on so you won't miss this chance to win some free money once I reach 3,000 subscribers, which is coming soon, guys. And share this all around the internet, because I really want to help everybody I can to make money online, guys. And it's time to be your own boss. Stop working for other people. So help me to help others by sharing this video. And lastly, please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop, because I make videos like this every other day, guys. Okay, Grind family, I appreciate it. Appreciate you guys checking me out. I'm gonna keep bringing this content as long as you guys keep watching. And drop a creative comment along with the hashtag Get Your Grind On, because sometimes I do shout outs. So if you want to get a shout out in one of my videos, go ahead and drop a creative comment down below. All right, that's it. I'm finished. Finito. I'm done. You guys have a good day. One more thing before I go. Get your grind on, because the grind is real. Go check out some of my other videos until my next one come out. Peace.